So this happened. Stacey and I stayed at Disney's Pop Century Resort and were amped to ride the brand new Skyliner. Looks cool.
Red cabin for two.
Thank you. Short wait and we stepped on board our own car. Sweet.
Take picture. I wish it wasn't a wrap though. You will not be able to see.
Yeah.
Just sit down.
These cars have character wraps which limit visibility after dark. But we're off. Oh man, so cool. Look at this. Oh, it's like flying.
I feel the breeze.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Pop Century Resort, with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot International Gateway.
Do the Epcot one?
Sure. Man, we're at the station at Caribbean Beach. There's portals to different places. We opted for Epcot, this time with other riders.
Hold on to your straw hats. We are about to enter the heart of the Caribbean.
Wow. This car had no wrap, so visibility was better.
It's even more fun the higher you go.
These cars actually go about 100 feet high, and the ride to Epcot is
We are
longer.
now sailing over Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, home to a collection of tropical villages inspired by the colorful architecture and lifestyle of the Caribbean islands. Romantic vistas of Europe's Mediterranean coast.
It was like shoot, 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 shoot.
It's so fun.
It was so fast.
Collect your belongings and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
We do?
We rode these a lot, but on to the next day. Hollywood Studios. There's what's left of New York.
Remember the Osborne lights?
I used to love New York and the Osborne lights. From the remnant of New York, we enter the portal to the edge of a different galaxy. I think you know the one. That is so cool. It was cool, and a 70s child's wildest fantasy. Pretty neat to that child's grown-up self as well. The detail is impressive. Most impressive. Resistance and smugglers beware. We were headed for a certain cantina run by Oga for the blue milk. But there were others here as well. Probably not for the milk. We'll get to that. Oga's Cantina, serving a mishmash of galactic travelers and asking no questions. You could literally shoot part of a Star Wars movie in here. I wonder if galactic bands hate DJs too. The place was crowded with a vast array of shady individuals. We fit right in. And the blue milk with a bantha cookie. Aim this at me. The milk isn't the most delicious, but the atmosphere is spot on. On to Mubos. Mubos droid builders, let's see how this works. Looks like you can build a pretty decent droid here. Prepare for portrait mode.
And then you have your little convention here for your hair.
Once you've selected the main body parts, you bring them to this builder station. There are the accent pieces in a few colors, and once it's assembled, your droid comes to life.
This button right here will make him talk. This one turns his head around. And you have your backwards and your frontwards.
Wow, here goes.
And then you have when he turns around. Okay.
Also available at Galaxy's Edge is this cool gift card. In order to get one, you have to spend $100, but it spins like currency. It's really quite awesome. After activation and a close brush with stormtroopers, we walked through. I was taking in all the details put into this alien world. And to what is clearly the centerpiece. If I have to tell you the name of this ship, back out now because it's about to get super nerdy up in here. The Falcon has been my favorite ship in sci-fi since that 1970s kid first saw it, and today nothing has changed. For a guy like me, it's beyond amazing seeing this in person. My plan was to shoot every detail of this ship, and so I did, at least the parts I could access. I always wondered why it was always referred to as a hunk of junk, because it was such a cool ship. But seeing the detail, not seen in the movies, yeah, hunk of junk fits. I also realized much of this video will be interesting to a very select audience, but this had to be shared. Some nerd might want to build one in his backyard. It's me. I'm some nerd. We didn't ride that ride, it was just too crowded, so there's a good bit I couldn't shoot for this video. But soon. You can't actually board the ship. All of the ride is probably inside the building behind it. Disney is expert at creating illusions, and that's okay, because it's an amazing experience. Oops, time for this smuggler to move on. We move stealthily on past movie quality props and backgrounds toward the market. Wow. This crowded plaza has all manner of souvenirs and keepsakes, and brother, this place is packed. It's mostly the decor that attracts me. It's nearly perfect.
Oh yeah.
And you never know who you'll run into. Hi, Chewbacca. Galaxy's Edge. Now to figure out how to steal this freighter.